Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are doing the unboxing of the monitor. This is a 27 FW M27fw. It's a 27-inch monitor, a 1080p. So I just want to show you what's in the box. One, there is a power cable. You can see this is a power cable, and HDMI cable, and then there is a power plug here. So yeah, this one goes with this. So this is a power cable, and then yeah, I think yeah. So this is a hookup using the stand. I'll show you later what it does. Okay, so this is a menu. Let's open it and see what's here. So here, okay, so it's a cover. Sorry, a stand. It's a stand. Yeah. So yeah, so we hook this up with that one. So this is tight because it was there. So I don't know if there's anything here. No. So there isn't anything here. I should think there's supposed to be a VGA cable here, which I don't see. Okay, so here's the actual thing. Let's remove it. Okay, here's the actual thing. Let's handle with care. Okay, so here in Zambia, in Eastern Province, chipata to be specific, we've gotten this at 5,200. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's a white one. It has got two HDMI cable and one VGA. You can see. Okay, right. So this is what you can see. Okay, so it's a 27-inch monitor. Okay, so you can see it. So we have to hook this up and make sure that we are okay. Okay, we have to hook this up. Let me make sure that we are together right here. Okay, good. So we have this one that we're supposed to hook up. I think we should put this. Yeah, done. Okay, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is for the studio, is for video editing, graphic designing, and all the tasks that you're doing at Aroma Pixel Studio. Okay. So we have to see how this goes. We have to see how this goes. Okay, like that. That's got nothing to do with getting the screwdrivers and putting all those things is just as simple as that. You just need to hook this up. Okay, I think that's the way it's supposed to be. So I think this should be like this. Oh, sorry. So ladies and gentlemen, this one is absolutely for video production and everything. So you can see here, I'm just using the hand. Okay. So this, you can easily do this here. I think they can get, this is where we can put the cable. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, I think the cable runs from this far. Yeah, that's it. So, okay. Right, so this is a thing. It's a nice one. So slimy, you can see how slim it is. So thin. I like something thin. Okay, so this is beautiful. It's a beautiful one. So let's put it where it's supposed to be. I do not understand. I do not understand. Now you can see the trouble that I have. Just look at the trouble that I have right now. Just look at the trouble that I have. Okay. The trouble that I have is that thing. I don't know if it's going to be fixed in there. So this is the challenge that I have now. This monitor is supposed to be here. This monitor is supposed to be here. Wow. That's the real trouble here. That means I have to, raise this above. Wow. That means I have to raise that above. Okay. That means I have to raise that above. Or I have to remove this one. Now you can see the real trouble. Now, why is the real trouble? Because, let me just remove this one here. Real trouble here. You can see, if I remove this one, if I remove this, that means we're getting off this one. We're getting off the banner. Something else. This is something else. The monitor is big. Okay. So this is the monitor. The monitor is big. It's something else. It's something else. Let me just start doing the plan B right here. Okay. We'll see what we'll do. Plan B has to work.